non-volatile RAM, SRAM. No batteries. That thing right there keeps the memory. So it was something I had from another project and repurposed it. But the sound issue, you know, the pinball will be totally silent. And then at some point, those sounds at the beginning of the video will all kind of, you know, chime in. But I go through the music test and I only get the one music song that you saw. And then the sound test, I get all the sounds except for number 2, which I'm not sure which one that is, but pinball plays fine. It had some acid damage, and I did repair the damage, and have a feeling that maybe, you know, the problem might be related to some damage. This whole section had to be replaced and reflowed and redone. New parts. That whole section died. Well, it wasn't died, but it was all corroded. So anyways, and then these little SCRs or SRCs were damaged, so I replaced those. You know, and I get a 0 on the test, and I recapped everything, and there's brand new caps everywhere, and I can't get this intermittent problem to go away, where all the sounds just start playing one after another. And so anyways, I replaced the sound ROMs, and I replaced one of the U27. I haven't replaced the other one yet, but yeah, I got this mystery problem here. So I was doing some sort of attract mode. See, look, and the display just turns off. And this display turned off also in the sound test once. I couldn't get it to repeat that. You can see this, it's losing power or something. I'm not sure why that's happening, but I mean, everything up here is good connections, resoldered, brand new caps. You know, I suppose my high voltage section could be, you know, maybe going out or something, but displays are still dark. So anyways, not sure what to make of this. Now they're kind of starting to come back. So yeah, now if I go in this test mode, the display is still kind of picking out. So maybe I have 2 problems. There's the display test. And again, maybe it's a loose wire or something, or power or something over here. Intermittent problems are frustrating.